more menace we need to rid the Igbo society of. We do not say duh. We do not say duh. We say acharomema. We do not say okada. We say ogbatuntum. Chora monyo ogbatuntum. We do not say moto. We say uwala. And we do not say oshe. We say imela. We do not say Eden fruit. We say ihokereyo. We do not say olosho. We say akuna. We do not say oboye. We say nae. We do not say owuna sam. We say ega kolam. Ega kowalamunte. We do not say clock it. We say jideba. Jideba. We do not say jeez. We say ow. We do not say oops. We say ewo. Nti odekwa.